Welcome back to another video. Today I want to analyze some of these fantastic results that we have been seeing with EURUSD recently and what I expect to see in the future. If you don't know what EURUSD is, it is an EA or a trading algorithm, a trading bot, whatever you want to call it, designed for MetaTrader 5, and it's been in development since March 2024. All of the details, all of the resources that I will be referring to, my FX book, FX Blue, the Signal accounts linked to MTL5 will be linked down below for you to go and check out and verify on your own. Okay, so here we have a MT5 terminal open. It's running EURUSD. We have 3 trades open. Currently we have a trade for GBPUSD, which is rather close to take profit, and then we have 2 more trades for Euro Pound floating in a negative. Recently I have started this account. This is a Fusion Markets account. So far it has had 5 trades, only trading gold. I started with $20. It has grown quite substantially relative to the account balance. If this was a $200 account, it would have made $140. If it was a $2,000 account, it would have made $1,400, although the risk would be lower because currently I do have the risk set to 10% per trade. However, it is slightly higher until the account balance achieves approximately $40–50, then it would be accurate. I thought it was interesting starting with a $20 account. I should have a $1,000 account running this exact setup quite soon and have it public for you to see. The reason for the smaller account is just so that I can verify our trades on Fusion Markets, because it is very important to note that the EA has been optimized for IC Markets as a broker. It is literally sprinkled everywhere. I even put a little logo here, optimized for IC Markets. The reason is I cannot optimize this for every single broker out there. That would be impossible to do. I personally use this EA on multiple accounts, and in some cases do have different brokers. For example, with a prop firm, it's easier setting up my trade setup on one account and sending those trades to different accounts. We know that we are reducing any variables and do see a lot more consistent outcomes. IC Markets is very important for this setup. This is the Fusion Markets account. It is currently growing really steadily. Now, the profit trades are not going to be 100%, but I do expect around 80% annually for gold. The reason is the backtest. This is a combined backtest using all of these symbols, and here are the individual backtests for each individual symbol. And if we go to gold, it is the most consistent in terms of growth. It has less choppy periods, and any users who are using the EA who have your max simultaneous trades set to 0 or 1, you will notice there is no difference with gold, because on average gold holds trades for less than 1 hour. Even if we have a duplicate style trade opening, the previous trade would have already closed likely in profit. Gold does a fantastic job at scalping. The only criticism that I receive is the trade volume. Some people want to see more trades. However, in reality, if we have this very high win rate, why wouldn't we settle for fewer trades but more profit? And a very good example is this overview. This is a user controlled account. We had 2 months of drawdown, which we expect annually. So every year we do expect around 2 months worth of drawdown. This is only 108 days, almost 4 months of data that we have in front of us. The rest of the year would be profit as well. And unfortunately, I cannot use those accounts because they are not only running EURUSD. So we had a 2-month drawdown period and we are climbing out very well. What I want to point out, during this entire drawdown period, if we have a look at all of our trades, we'll notice that gold was the most consistent with 88% win rate in the past 108 days. It has the highest consistent win rate between all of our symbols, having only 2 losing trades out of 16 trades. So we have 14 profitable trades and only 2 losing trades. This is a trend that I really expect to see continuing well into the future. Hence why I intend to fund a $1,000 account and run it at 10% per trade using gold alone. I'll be more conservative running all of these symbols combined. We also need to diversify. Just because we have a low win rate for EURUSD within the current data set doesn't mean in the next couple of months it won't improve dramatically. We have to look at the whole picture. We can't just pick and choose what we want. All of the links are down below. There is unfortunately only 1 copy remaining at this current price at $99. It's going to go up by $50 every milestone until approximately $4.99, which is still, in my opinion, a fair price for a system like this. It has been developed for over a year and will see continuous development. Our optimizations have been done using 25 years of data in and out of sample, and from starting using the EA, which personally was from January this year, in approximately 5 years, so about 20% outside of the optimization period, it will then get re-optimized so that we can make money for decades using the system and grow wealth. We do have a lot of users on board. You can message me on MKL5 or reach out in the comments if you have questions. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.